This is our lesson number 40, last lesson regarding the topaz family. And from this lesson, we are learning more about topaz gemstone. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and press bell icon and share to our youth to get the knowledge and join to gem industry. So this is our lesson number 40, and here the prices regarding the precious topaz, that means imperial topaz, also we discussed earlier lesson also, so I don't need to repeat it again. In here we are learning lot of irradiation methods in the topaz. Out of that, the famous one is atomic level change with irradiation. This is done by the Americans. All the white topaz they bought from Sri Lanka after cutting and polishing, and they do the atomic level change with irradiation, and they supply to the market as Swiss blue and London blue. These are the materials they are irradiated. Okay, we are moving to next one. Here we are looking pink and purple topaz. See the rough and the cut and polish here. All are roughs here. Here, another color, sherry topaz. This is imperial topaz. This color is little bit expensive. Pink and purple color is here. See the colors. And inside the topaz, very famous inclusion is there. It is mentioned here. Comet tail inclusion. It is like a comet tail. Comet tail inclusion is very famous inside the topaz. Most topaz crystals are colorless. In commercial jewelry, has been heated or irradiated or created to improve its color. Some treatment. Heated, irradiated, or coated to improve its color specimens. So most topazes in commercial jewelry has been heated, irradiated, or coated to improve its color. This is the inclusion we have to learn. Very famous comet tail inclusion in topaz. So remember just that. Here, magnificent intergrown brown topaz crystals from the Mogok region of Burma. Intergrown brown topaz. Here it is imperial topaz. See the color. Imperial topaz from Brazil. 15.45 carats. And here, topaz pebbles in the photo above are from Brazil. These are the topaz pebbles. You know how it happens. The pebbles. With erosion, water or climate erosion, with the water, then it shapes the stone like a pebble. They were rounded and frosted during stream transport. This is a gorgeous brown topaz crystal from the Mogok region of Burma. It is from Burma. Here, natural topaz colors. Look at the colors here. See, imperial topaz colors. These are the colors. This is Swiss blue color after the irradiation. This is London blue color. Both are colorless topaz from Brazil. They were irradiated. Then the blue topaz name. Natural blue topaz we can find very rarely. After faceting, they were irradiated and heated to produce the blue color. Irradiated and heated. It is giving atomic level change to the topaz gem. Atomic level change. Blue topaz with a color produced by treatment is the most common color of topaz commercial jewelry today. So remember that. Here, topaz treatments and enhancements. Blue topaz, the most commonly used topaz color is blue, is formed from colorless or lightly colored topaz that is irradiated to make it blue and then heat treated to stabilize the new color. To stabilize the new color after the irradiation needed heat treatment. Then the color is permanent. Different forms of radiation treatment can produce different shades of blue. Remember that. Different forms of radiation treatment can produce different shades of blue. Most pink topaz in the gem trade is heat treated from yellow to brownish topaz. Yellow topaz or brownish topaz can heat treated to produce the pink color. Very important thing is here now, ascetic topaz and the mystic topaz. Look at the difference and the colors here. Rainbow colors are given. It is mystic topaz. Ascetic topaz. You should understand what is this. The colorful mystic topaz, see the color, colorful mystic topaz and ascetic topaz are synthetically treated. Remember that. To produce their rainbow or multicolored effect using film deposition. Very thin film layer is deposited on the crown. So that film layer creates the color. That film layer deposited to colorless topaz. Then it gives ascetic topaz and the mystic topaz. So remember, film deposition is the method they are using to produce the mystic and ascetic topaz. The process involves bonding an extremely thin metallic film layer over the top of the gemstone so that the interesting color effects are reflected from the crown. Crown means the top part. Now you can understand what is this. It is synthetically treated gemstone. We can see inside jewelry today more and more. Here, untreated white topaz, irradiated and heated Swiss blue, London blue. This is also irradiated color. This is coated, color coated. Film layer deposition creates this color. That is coated. All colors are here. Mystic topaz. We learned earlier also. Some topaz is heated and then coated with a metallic oxide to change its color or produce an iridescent effect. That is mystic. What is it? Some topaz is heated and then coated with a metallic oxide to change its color or to produce an iridescent effect. These treatments are sold under the trade name of mystic topaz. Mystic topaz is the trade name. It is not the name of the topaz. It is the trade name after this treatment. These materials are simply clear topaz with a coating that might not be very durable. It is not permanent. Then here we can learn topaz sources. What are the sources? The largest topaz producer in world is Brazil. Brazil is the largest producer. Other sources in Pakistan, Afghanistan, India, China, Burma, that means Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Japan, Russia, Ukraine, Australia, Madagascar, Namibia, Nigeria, Zimbabwe, Mexico, and the US. US means California, Utah, and New Hampshire. These are the districts in US. So join us, learn and enrich your future. If you forget subscribe yet, please subscribe and share to your friends to give these lessons to our youth. We will meet with second part in the next lesson 41.